One thing I wanted to point out about these corner point rules is bounded. When the region is bounded, like ours was bounded, you're going to have a maximum point and you're probably going to have a minimum point. And you can have one or more when it's bounded. When it's unbounded, you might not necessarily have a maximum or you may not have a minimum. You have to really look at it to see. Let me show you what I mean by unbounded. So unbounded would look something like this. If I draw this and if I say 5, 10, 15. So let's say you had like a point here, a point here, a point here, and a point here, and then your bounded region kind of looked like that, and then it just shaded. It was just shaded. When you notice with this, there's nothing that stops it from going that way. There are no points here. Now you do have a boundary line here, so you could possibly have a minimum. You just have to figure out which one gives you the minimum depending on the function, but there's nothing up here that bound. And so on this one, you won't have a maximum. You see what I'm saying? So when it says, when it's an unbounded region, you might not have a maximum. You might not have a minimum. So if let's say it was, I'll do black. So let's say it looked like this. Sorry, it's not straight, but just to give you an idea. And then let's say you had a point here, a point here, and a point here. Okay? And then those points connected, right? Even a point here. Well, and then when you shade it, and you just start shading this way, but nothing tells you where to stop. So you'll have a maximum, but you might not have a minimum value. This might be a minimum, depending on how it looks, but that's what I'm saying. This is unbounded. Okay, so this is an unbounded because it's not bounded on all sides. Okay, unbounded. Same thing with this one. This one is unbounded. Okay, because it's not bounded. It's not bounded on every side. This is only bounded on beneath. This is only bounded above. So it would be unbounded. So if it's unbounded, you may or may not have a maximum or a minimum. You just have to look at the picture and see.